Hi, my name is Keith Magic. I'm with LMI Technologies. We're here at our new office in Cupertino. What I have here to show is our automated inspection system for EV battery. And this combines both 2D and 3D for inspection and dimensioning for an EV battery application. First, we have an array of LMI Vision 2D cameras that are taking images of side top for cosmetic inspection on a prismatic cell. These cameras are being integrated into the LMI software platform to analyze the 2D data, generally for cosmetic inspection. In the middle here, we have our Gocator 5516. This is our dual axis line confocal sensor. It's scanning the top of the battery, so the terminal side. Chromatic line confocal sensors provide high resolution, high data quality on some of your challenging surfaces like transparent or highly specular surfaces. This is generating 3D data that we're using for dimensioning and inspection of this the specular surface. Lastly, we have a multi-sensor array of our Gocator 2500 series. These sensors are aligned together to generate a 180-degree stitched image of these cells. This enables us to do dimensioning as well as some cosmetic or defect detection across all three sides of this cell. And all of this is being integrated into LMI's software platform to offer a comprehensive 2D, 3D vision solution. If you have an application or interest in our 2D and 3D technology, we'd love to have you at our new TKH Vision office here in Cupertino.